Hello cuties, here a painting idea for when you are bored. To be honest, I get bored while making this. Let's get started. I did not have pink colors, so I made do with what I had. I try my best to create the perfect color, so please like it. I painted the first mood board and it seemed a little easy, but to be honest, I had not tried a mood board before, so I could not get it right. Also, I do not have proper washi tape, so I am using regular tape, which often tears the papers. The hardest things for me is making a color that I do not have, and that is exactly what happened there. I did not have the color I needed, so I painted with a different one. The white color frustrated me the most. It was so bad that even after painting the same spot 1,000 times, it would not show up. Finally, I used poster color.
What? Even add this colors?
Instead of watercolor.
What is the difference between watercolor and the poster color?
Just be quiet, okay? This is the first time I have made so many mistakes in a painting. Since the white color was not showing up, I used a white pen to make the star. Now it is time to remove the tape, but removing regular tape is really difficult. Finally, it is done. I have corrected the mistake I made, but if you notice any, please let me know so I can fix them in the future. It was evening by the time I finished shooting the video. So the video quality is not great, but you will see the real look at the end. I know you all are very supportive, so please like and share this video. While making the second mood board, my mood got completely ruined. It turned out so bad that I did not even feel like fixing it. And making purple color was really difficult. And when I removed the tape, the paper tore. It took so long to correct that I did not even make a full video. The whole painting got messed up, but I fixed it in the end. I know it is not great, but with your support, it can get better. Please, my friends, support me. I need your support very much. Share video, like, and subscribe my channel and watch another creative videos. Finally, my mood is ruined, but the mood board painting is ready. Which one did you like? Comment below and please support and subscribe. Thank you so much cuties for your support and love. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.